Greetings, everyone. It is Kasey Goldstraw Gergini.
And Andrea Moya here, inviting you to this beautiful Dragon Clairvoyance webinar.
The dragons are out and they are excited. They are so practical and they're so loving and supportive. So they're really wanting to work with you to clear those last few fears, those things that have been blocking you, perhaps stuck in your third eye, clearing them out so that you can step through the door of dreams and really retrieve and plant your seed of dreams and truly be the clairvoyant that you are, that you have been in previous lifetimes, and embody that in this lifetime and incarnation.
Oh my gosh, this feels so good, So it also, I feel like let's open our heart here and just take a couple breaths and set the intention that yes, I'm ready to receive all the blessings, all the bounty, all the downloads from having my full restoration of clairvoyance back in my body. It is really an incredible blessing.
It is an incredible blessing, and it really is a process of receiving love. And the dragons are so protective and so dedicated to working with you. So if you are drawn to dragons, if you really want to be clairvoyant and you're just ready to release those last fears, come join us, come be with us. The love is pouring in, the angels are with us, the dragons are with us, and you are so safe and so protected in this process of truly being in your power, becoming the powerful, clairvoyant, and dream seer that you are. So join us.
See you there.
Thanks, everyone. Dragon hugs.